Welcome to Practice English Conversations. Are you ready to practice your English and become more fluent? Let's get started.
Hi, Ethan. How are you today?
Hi, Mia. I'm doing well, thank you. How about you?
I'm great, thanks. I just got back from the community fair last weekend, and I'm still excited about it. I'd love to share my experience with you. Did you attend the fair too?
Yes, I did. I went with a few friends. The fair was really lively. There were so many colorful booths and fun activities. What did you enjoy the most?
I loved exploring all the different booths. There was one booth with handmade crafts that caught my eye. They had beautiful jewelry, paintings, and even pottery. I bought a small handmade bracelet as a souvenir.
That sounds nice. I was impressed by the food stands. I tried some local street food like spicy noodles and a sweet dessert called honey cakes. They were delicious and very different from what I usually eat.
Oh, I saw that too. I also visited a booth that had traditional snacks and drinks. They had fresh fruit juices and some small cakes. I think it is great that the fair shows local flavors.
Absolutely. I think these booths help support local businesses. When we buy something at a fair, we are helping our community.
Yes, and it makes the fair feel more personal and creative. Did you check out the entertainment programs?
I did. There was a live music stage where a local band played pop and folk songs. I really enjoyed their performance. It was lively and fun. I even danced a little with some of the other visitors.
I love live music at fairs. Later in the day, I watched a traditional dance performance. The dancers wore bright costumes and moved gracefully. It was very beautiful and full of energy.
I remember that too. The dance performance was one of the highlights for me. It made me feel excited and connected to our local culture.
And there were also small games at some booths. I tried the ring toss game, and I even won a little prize, a small toy that I still keep as a reminder of the day.
That's fun. I played a shooting game at another booth, but I didn't win. Still, it was a good experience and I laughed a lot.
It's amazing how the fair brings together many different activities, from arts and crafts to food, music, and games. It really has something for everyone.
I agree. The atmosphere was very friendly. I met many new people and even exchanged a few phone numbers with some vendors. They were so passionate about their work.
I enjoyed talking with a couple of the artists. One artist explained how she makes her paintings using natural dyes. It was very inspiring.
I also talked to a local chef at one of the food booths. He told me the secret recipe for his honey cakes. It made me appreciate the effort that goes into these traditional recipes.
That's wonderful. I think learning about the stories behind the products makes the experience even richer. You feel more connected to the items you buy.
Exactly. And the fair also had information booths. where local organizations talked about upcoming community events and volunteer opportunities. I collected a few brochures to learn more.
I saw that too. It reminded me that fairs are not just about buying things, but also about sharing information and strengthening community bonds.
Yes, every booth had a unique story. The creative displays and friendly smiles made the day very enjoyable.
I especially liked how the organizers set up the fair. The layout was clear, and there were plenty of signs to guide visitors. Even if you were new to the area, you could easily find your way around.
I noticed that as well. The paths were wide and well lit, and there were lots of benches where people could sit and chat. It was very relaxing to walk around and take in all the sights and sounds.
And the decorations were beautiful too. The fairgrounds were filled with colorful banners, balloons, and lights. It made everything feel festive and joyful.
I agree. I even took some pictures of the decorations. They will be great memories of the day. Do you take photos at events like this?
Yes, I love taking photos. I have many pictures from the fair. I like to capture the vibrant colors and interesting details of each booth and performance.
That's nice. I think photos help us remember not just the event, but also how we felt during it.
Definitely. I look at my photos and remember the laughter, the excitement, and the warm conversations I had with people.
Speaking of conversations, did you talk with any other visitors about the fair?
I did. I met a family who was visiting the fair for the first time. They were very happy and told me that the fair helped them learn more about our local traditions.
That must have been a lovely conversation. I met a couple who said that the fair reminded them of their childhood. They laughed and talked about the games they used to play.
It's heartwarming to see that a community event can bring so many people together and create such lasting memories.
I believe so. It makes you appreciate the simple joys in life. I felt very relaxed and happy after spending the day at the fair.
Me too. I think I will try to attend more fairs in the future. They are a great way to spend the weekend and to support local artists and businesses.
I agree. Fairs are not only fun, but they also help us learn and connect with our community.
Do you think the fair had any educational value?
Yes, I do. I learned about traditional crafts, local cuisine, and even some historical aspects of our town. The organizers provided interesting facts on many of the displays.
That's true. I felt that the fair was both entertaining and informative. It made me curious to learn more about our local culture and history.
And it was also a great opportunity to relax from our busy lives. Spending a day at the fair gives you a break from work and studies.
Exactly. I left the fair feeling refreshed and full of positive energy. I even shared my experiences with my friends later that day.
I did the same. I posted some pictures on social media and wrote a short story about my favorite moments. It's nice to relive those moments by sharing them.
Sharing experiences makes them even more memorable. I hope we can go to the fair together next time and maybe try some new booths or activities.
That would be wonderful, Mia. I'd love to explore more of what the fair has to offer, especially new food stands and creative art booths.
Great. Let's plan to attend the next fair together. We can meet early and enjoy the entire day, maybe even participate in some of the fun games.
Yes, I'm looking forward to it. I think each fair is a unique experience, and exploring it with a friend makes it even more special.
I completely agree, Ethan. It's a beautiful way to spend the weekend and to support our local community.
Thank you for sharing your thoughts, Mia. Talking about the fair makes me appreciate it even more.
Thank you, Ethan. I enjoyed our conversation very much. It's always nice to share our experiences and feelings about community events.
Let's keep in touch and plan for the next fair. I'd love to hear more about the booths you liked and the new experiences you have.
I will, Ethan. I'll send you a message when I hear about the next event. I'm excited to explore more and learn new things.
Me too, Mia. I look forward to our next adventure at the fair. Have a wonderful day and enjoy your memories.
You too, Ethan. Thank you for the lovely chat. Goodbye.
Goodbye, Mia.
Great job practicing with us today. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and hit the notification bell so you don't miss our next English conversation. See you in the next video. Keep practicing and stay confident.